Did you know the next generation of action cameras might completely redefine how we capture, create, and share our adventures? The upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another yearly refresh, it has the potential to be the biggest leap forward in action camera history since the first GoPro shook the entire industry and changed how we think about portable filmmaking. And here's the part that's blowing everyone's minds. We're closer to its reveal than you might think. In today's deep dive, we'll explore every leak, rumor, and insider report, from the massive 1-inch sensor and mind-blowing 8K recording to smartwatch integration, AI stabilization, 4-hour battery life, and even futuristic storage and connectivity upgrades. By the end, you'll understand why the Osmo Action 6 might not just be an upgrade, but a complete redefinition of action filmmaking, something that could finally tilt the competition away from GoPro and Insta360. A quick look back, DJI's journey. DJI might be best known for their drones, but their story in the action camera space is fascinating. In 2019, they surprised everyone by launching the original Osmo Action, a tough, rugged little beast that challenged GoPro directly. It had a dual-screen design and stabilization tech that immediately earned respect. After that came the Osmo Action 2, with its bold modular design. Then the Action 3, which focused on extending battery performance for real adventurers. Most recently, the Action 5 Pro brought massive stabilization and video quality improvements that made it a strong GoPro alternative. But now in 2025, things feel very different. Competition is brutal. GoPro is struggling with innovation, but still has a loyal fan base. Insta360 is innovating faster than ever, especially with 360-degree content. Smartphones are pushing video limits with cinematic modes, AI editing, and better stabilization built right into your pocket. DJI knows the stakes are higher than ever. Playing it safe is not an option. And if the leaks are even halfway accurate, DJI is about to take the biggest swing in action camera history. The sensor, a game-changing leap. The biggest headline rumor? A massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, a jump from the 1.3-inch sensor in the Action 5 Pro. And we're talking about over 13.5 stops of dynamic range. This isn't just another incremental bump. It's a complete game changer. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, no more grainy, unusable night footage. Cinematic color depth, richer, more accurate tones for storytelling. Dynamic control over highlights and shadows, perfect for sunrises, sunsets, or harsh lighting. Imagine filming a mountain sunrise where every blade of grass glows with detail, or diving into a pitch-black underwater cave and still getting footage so clean you could mistake it for a cinema rig. That's not just content for YouTube, that's professional-grade imaging in a device that literally fits in the palm of your hand. Insane video power. Now let's talk video specs, because this is where the Osmo Action 6 starts to sound almost futuristic. Leaks suggest it can shoot 8K at 30 FPS, pure cinematic future-proofing. 5.3K at 60 FPS, ultra-high resolution with buttery motion. 4K at 120 FPS, stunning slow motion that looks like Hollywood. 1080p at 240 FPS, super slow motion for dramatic storytelling. And yes, it's expected to support 10-bit D-Log-M profiles, giving filmmakers the ability to color grade like professionals. This isn't just about today's platforms. As 8K TVs, VR, and AR become mainstream, the Osmo Action 6 could be the first consumer action camera truly built for the future. Next-gen stabilization high resolution is useless if your footage looks like it was shot during an earthquake. That's why DJI is reportedly bringing RockSteady 4.0 stabilization, paired with an AI-powered horizon steady system that offers 360-degree horizon leveling. Translation? No matter what you're doing, mountain biking, surfing, skiing, or even skydiving, your footage will stay gimbal smooth and perfectly level. Picture mounting this camera to your helmet, flipping upside down mid-air, and still ending up with video so stable it feels like it was shot on a cinema rig. That's the kind of tech that forces GoPro to pay attention. Smartwatch integration. This is one of the most exciting rumored features. Wearable integration. Reports suggest the Osmo Action 6 will connect with devices like the Apple Watch and Garmin sports watches. That could mean live overlays on your footage, heart rate, altitude, cadence, speed, remote camera control straight from your wrist, hands-free workflow for athletes and vloggers. Imagine starting a downhill mountain biking video with a single tap on your watch. or changing modes mid-dive without touching the camera. This isn't just convenience, it's a lifestyle revolution. It connects health, data, and filmmaking into one seamless experience. Battery and design battery life has always been the Achilles heel of action cameras. But DJI may have cracked it this time. Leaks say we're getting a 1950 mAh battery capable of over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. That's insane compared to current competitors. Combine that with a rugged, slightly larger design for cooling and durability, and you've got a device that can finally last through your longest adventures. And yes, it's reportedly waterproof up to 20 meters straight out of the box. No cases, no hassle. Just dive in. Connectivity and storage connectivity in 2025 matters more than ever. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast transfers, Bluetooth 5.1 for easy pairing, USB-C with DisplayPort output, external monitoring on bigger screens, dual storage, 64GB internal memory, plus microSD expansion. Forget your SD card? Doesn't matter, you'll still be ready to shoot. Price and release date. So when does it drop? Insiders suggest a mid-October 2025 reveal, perfectly timed for the holiday shopping season. Expected pricing, base model, around $329 premium bundles. Up to $599 if DJI can actually hit those numbers. While delivering these features, the Osmo Action 6 could dominate the entire action cam market. Final thoughts if even half of these leaks turn out to be true. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. 1-inch pro-level sensor, cinematic 8K video recording, AI-powered RockSteady 4.0 stabilization, smartwatch integration, 4-hour battery life, waterproof durability, future-proof connectivity. This isn't DJI chasing GoPro anymore. This is DJI rewriting the rulebook for action cameras. The real question is, are you ready to capture your world like never before? If you are, hit that subscribe button, because the second DJI makes this official, we'll break down confirmed specs, real-world tests, and everything you need to know before buying. Until then, stay creative, stay curious, and keep shooting. Here's what we know so far. 1-inch sensor for professional-grade low-light performance. 8K cinematic video plus 4K at 120 FPS for ultra-smooth slow motion. RockSteady 4.0 with AI horizon leveling for perfectly stable footage. Smartwatch integration. Control your camera straight from your wrist. 4-hour battery life and waterproof up to 20 meters. This camera is built for adventurers, athletes, and vloggers who want pro-level results in a compact, rugged design. Industry insiders expect a mid-October 2025 launch, starting at around $329 for the base model and $579 for premium bundles. If even half of these leaks are true, the Osmo Action 6 is set to redefine action filmmaking. Are you ready to capture your world like never before? Hit subscribe because we'll bring you all the confirmed specs, real-world tests, and reviews the second DJI drops this camera.